Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to screen mirror Android phone to Samsung Smart TV. So let's check it out. We are using the 2020 Samsung Smart TV model, and this could be applicable for other newer models too. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. We can use the screen mirroring feature when we want to view our phone's content on our TV screen. It could be photos, videos, games, etc. To do this on our Samsung Smart TV, there are some ways and we will see them now. If you have a Samsung Android phone, then we just have to go to the quick settings. And here we will have this Smart View Mirror Screen option. We just have to select that and we will get this list. Here we have to select our Samsung Smart TV. That's all. Now our phone screen will be connected to our TV screen. Whatever we do on the screen will be visible here. That's all. And we have this Smart View settings here. We can open this and see all the features available for this. Appcast, aspect ratio, multi-view. We have all these. And suppose if we want to disconnect, we can select the disconnect option. That's all. We can also install Samsung's SmartThings app. We can configure this app if we haven't on our smartphone. We already published a full video about this. I'll share that link in the description along with other helpful videos. So after configuring this app, we can open it. We will get this dashboard. Here at the top, we have to select this three-dot menu. Not here. We have to go to devices at the bottom. Select our TV. And now we can go to this three-dot menu and we will have this Smart View option. Select that. Okay, that's all. We can grant the permission as well if this is our TV and phone. That's all. Similarly, all the other smartphones will have the screen mirror feature. For example, on OnePlus smartphone, it will be called Screencast. We can go to the quick settings or search for this in the settings and we can select our Samsung Smart TV to connect. That's all. Our Samsung Smart TV model doesn't have Chromecast built in for casting, but we have connected Google TV Streamer 4K device, so we can try through that. So whenever we open any Prime or Jio Hotstar app, we have this cast icon at the top. We can select that. And here we can select the Google TV Streamer device which is connected to our Samsung Smart TV. So select that. It will reflect on the TV. It will take some time to connect. Ready to cast. So now we can play any movie we want and it will reflect on the screen. That's all. And suppose if we want to disconnect, we can select here and we can stop casting. That's all. We can also use the Google Home app to do the screen mirroring and casting option. We can select this and go to devices. Here we can go to our Google TV device. And here we have the cast my screen option. We can select this. That's all. These are the steps to screen mirror Android phone to Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.